The biggest reason for changing the windows was to keep the heat in the winter and the cooling in the summer. Coming from England, I know that the double glazing does all that, and it would save a lot of money because it's a big house to heat and cool, and already we've noticed a huge difference. I heard about Oknalux by my husband. He drives past every day from work, and when we were looking into getting some quotes and some ideas from various different companies, he seemed to be quite keen to get you guys out. Obviously he had a look. We chose Oknalux because they seemed a good, sturdy, solid door window. The showroom was a really good thing to do, pop down, have a look, because it actually showed me, or showed my husband and myself, how the screens worked. They're just a really good, solid product. The experience I had with the consultant was very easygoing, throwing really good ideas that I hadn't thought of myself. Really easy to talk to and no pressure. We've got some really strange, very high doorways here with weird glass things at the top, and that was suggested we take the whole doorway up to make it look more proud. Again, another really good idea. My experience with these doors was really good. They were very neat, tidy guys, worked really well, not in my way at all, just a really good team. Very good. I want those two guys back next time. I've noticed with changing the windows, this last winter was a lot warmer in the house. Through the warmer weather, we've had the aircon on, and this whole room's been a lot cooler. Yeah, they've really been very good. Anything I would share is definitely have a look at these windows because they've got a really good seal. The ideas that were thrown at me as well were really good. So we changed a few, like the retracting fly screens. Very, very good idea. And the way they tilt to just let a bit of air in, but are locked still as well. Very good.